and even now it is very common for most of the parents to send their children abroad to study. So those husband and wife, they had the only son who was sent to abroad to study. There only he studied, he got his degree, he got his job also, and then he married there only, he settled there. Then after some time his father died, came back to the country for the cremation and all the rituals. And all the relatives convinced him to take his mother with him. I don't know the legal procedure, but he did everything. So he did everything. And then he convinced his mother to sell off their house. He convinced his mother to sell off her precious jewelry. And the whole money collected from that, he kept with himself. And when they reached the airport, he told his mother to sit there while he was going to inquire something. And he didn't come back. He boarded the flight and went away. The mother got freezed there because it was such a huge shock for her that her own son has done this. Even the airport authorities tried to help her, but she didn't remember anything. She just remembered the name of the country. She didn't know the address, didn't know the job of the son. She didn't know anything. If your own child is doing this, it is not a mistake, it is not a blunder, it is a sin. ये पाप की श्रेणी में आएगा, पाप या महापाप की श्रेणी में आएगा. And if everybody around said, if the son feels कि वो इस पैसे से वो बहुत कुछ ले लेगा, तो वो नहीं कर पाएगा. We'll do the concept of मीठा पैसा in future also. We will do that. लेकिन वो कभी सुखी नहीं रह पाएगा because he has not taken the blessings of the mother. That money, उस पैसे के साथ एक माँ की बदुआ लगी हुई है. So that is why we say everything which is not being taught to the child, these kind of things, he needs to sensitize